So our next question is from GATE 2018 related thermodynamics. The question is, under isothermal condition, a vertical tube of length L 100 meter contains a gas of molecular weight equal to 60, right? The pressure and temperature at the top of the tube are 100 kilopascal and 25 degree centigrade respectively. Consider the universal gas constant and acceleration due to gravity as 8.314 joule per mole Kelvin and 9.81 meter per second square respectively. If the gas is ideal, the pressure at the bottom of the tube will be, we need to calculate the pressure at the bottom of the tube, right? So just imagine this picture of 100-meter vertical tube, right? 100-meter vertical, we have 100-meter vertical tube. Then the pressure, you can say pressure above the tube is the pressure that is given, the pressure temperature top of the tube is 100 kilopascal and 25 degrees centigrade. Remember this is the condition of isothermal condition, means throughout the tube the temperature will remain constant, right? So let's start with the solution. We have given data, length is 100 meter, molar mass is 60 gram per mole, you know the unit, gram per mole. Our temperature is T 25 degrees centigrade, and if we convert this temperature in Kelvin, that we will add 273, then the temperature will be 298 Kelvin. The pressure is 100 kilopascal and R is the gas constant that is given as 8.314 joule per mole Kelvin. And also we have given G, acceleration due to gravity is 9.81 meter per second square, right? So density of the gas, see why I am calculating the density of the gas. There is a question, why? Since they are asking the pressure at the bottom of the vertical tube, so there is a hydrostatic pressure will be exerted due to the height of the tube, right? So we need, for this we know the hydrostatic pressure. How we calculate the hydrostatic pressure? From hydrostatic law, that P is equal to rho into G into H, density into G into H, where H is the height. So we need to calculate the density of the gas. So how this is the case of ideal gas, we can calculate the density of the gas is Pm by RT, where P is the pressure, M is the molar mass upon RT. However, the P is constantly will change. I know pressure जो है continuously change होगा, but we know that for this condition, for a gas, there is not much change in pressure, right? So we can take P as 100 kilopascal, that is given at the top of the tube. So we will get the near about same pressure throughout the tube. We can assume that, right? Next, putting the values, I have put the values of P 100 kilopascal into 60 gram per mole upon 8.314 joule per mole Kelvin into 298 Kelvin is the temperature, right? Now I will show the unit, how unit will work. Units, you can see here 100 kilopascal, we can write kilopascal as kilo Newton per meter square, you know very well Newton per meter square is the pascal, and 60 gram per mole here, and we can write joule. What is the joule? Joule is Newton meter, we can write Newton meter by per mole, Kelvin into Kelvin. Now you can see here Kelvin to Kelvin will be cancel out, from mole to mole also will be cancel out. So what you will get, Newton to Newton will be cancel out, so you will get only G and K means 1000. If we 1000 gram is equal to 1 kg, right? So we will get the answer in kg per meter cube. From solving this equation, we will get the answer in kg per meter cube. What we will get 2.421 kg per meter cube is the density. Now hydrostatic pressure, P is equal to rho into G into H, right? We will put the values 2.42 kg per meter cube into 9.81 meter per second square into 100 meter. Next, the answer will be 2374.02 Pascal is equal to, or in terms of kilopascal we can write it as 2.374 kilopascal is the right answer, right? This is the pressure due to hydrostatic. Okay, now we need to calculate the total pressure at the bottom. Here is the total pressure at bottom. P is equal to 100 kilopascal is already given at the top of the tube, so pressure is 100 kilopascal plus 2.37 kilopascal is equal to 102.37 kilopascal. So final answer we get 102.37 kilopascal. This is the right answer as per given official answer keys from GATE 2018 IIT Guwahati. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel so that I can continue my work to give you all solutions of GATE from 2021 to 2000. So you don't need to pay anything to any site, you know very well. So you can I'm solving here questions as soon as possible. I will try, and I'm trying my best to give you a better solution. And here also I solve question in very easy way, right? So please subscribe this, otherwise I will stop this. Thank you.